What's up guys, this is Austin Pro. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 7 new hidden features in iOS 13.1 Beta 1 that I found today. So iOS 13 Beta 8 is going to be on the left, 13.1 on the right. First one is, when you're force touching on the health app icon, you notice that on 13.1 here on the right, you notice that the icons are no longer filled in on the 3D touch menu. But on 13 Beta 8 they were filled in and really big. Now they're smaller. They're a really nice addition, Apple. Really cool. And this next one is, when you go to the control center, force touch on the volume control, you notice the icon for the volume HUD is much larger than on 13 Beta 8. You can see on 13 Beta 8 on the left, it's small, but on 13.1, it's large. It's a really nice tweak, Apple, to make it easier to see. And this next one is, when you go to your calculator app, force touch on the calculator, you can see that there's a new icon which is not filled in. It's a really nice addition, Apple, to make everything look just like the rest of the OS. But on 13 Beta 8, it was filled in. But on 13.1, it's not. Just a really nice tweaking up, making everything look even. And this next one is, when you force touch on voice memos, if you look at the icon for your recordings, you can see that they're no longer just a play button like they were on 13 Beta 8. They're now a circle with a play button. It has the same circle as the new recording button, but with a play button in the middle, which is a really nice change. Make it easier to see, so you know what the option does. And this next one is, when you go to your settings app, scroll down to books, and if you notice down where it says reading goals, there's a new option that says include PDFs, which is a really nice change. And you see on 13 Beta 8, you didn't have it, so on 13.1, you have a new include PDF toggle, which is a really nice change. So you include more stuff in your books for the reading goals. So, really nice change. And this next one is, if you look at the clock very carefully on 13.1, it's a little bit thinner than it is on 13 Beta 8. It's really hard to notice it, but it is there. So if you look at the PM icon, it's bolder on 13 Beta 8, but a tad thinner on 13.1. It's really hard to notice it, but it is there. And this last one is very hard to notice it, but if you force touch on the settings icon, the Wi-Fi and cellular data icons have new designs. So if you look on 13 Beta 8, it's kind of larger, but if you look on 13.1, it's shrunken down a little bit. So the cellular data icon is shrunk. So it's really hard to notice that you have to take 2 images of the previous beta versus the newer beta and compare them. Then you'll notice it. Same for the Wi-Fi icon. The Wi-Fi icon is now a little bit larger. So it is there. It's very hard to notice it. So it is there. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up in the video. Peace out.